bike so little, it looks strange when I come in quick time and zoom. Look. The river, it's Lågen, Gudbrandsdal, Norway. Beautiful. Buy this bike, you will love it, because it's fantastic to drive. It's not like motorcycle and not like bike. You have never driven something like this before. It's very strange. It's so small and so quick and so fantastic. So now I am middle in the river with my bike in a beautiful river in Gudbrandsdal, Norway, called Lågen. You can see here. The bike is here. So little, so you can be a little bit think that this is like nothing, like a toy, but it's like a brutal machine. Good build quality, nothing wrong. I had it now for over a month. Today, look at this river, green, beautiful, Norwegian nature on the best autumn. Tomorrow is 1st September, 31 August today. So, and I am on my tour with my fantastic bike, 5000 watt, 2500 watt on each motor, front, back, 5000 watt together. Can produce maximum 10,000 watt battery, 60 volt from LG, 30 ampere, can produce 1950 watt. Together it's like a brutal machine. over the bridge with my bike. So, a little bit wind there, and this microphone on this little camera is shit. When it comes to wind, it destroys the movie. So I have a better microphone to this camera, but now when I only want to film small clips, I cannot have it be a microphone 3 times bigger than the camera.